NASA is sending a flying drone to explore Titan, Saturn's biggest moon. It's called Dragonfly, and it could help answer one of the biggest questions in science. Could Titan hold the building blocks of life? Part 1. What happened? Dragonfly is a rotorcraft lander, like a drone, designed to fly in Titan's thick atmosphere. It will hop between sites, studying surface chemistry, searching for prebiotic molecules, and capturing images. Part 2. Why it matters. Titan has methane lakes, thick atmosphere, and organic-rich chemistry. Scientists think it may resemble early Earth, a laboratory for life's building blocks. If Dragonfly finds complex chemistry, it brings us closer to understanding how life began. Part 3. Bigger picture. Dragonfly is part of NASA's push to explore ocean worlds like Titan, Europa, and Enceladus. It connects to the bigger trend, searching for habitable environments beyond Earth. Risks: long travel time, landing challenges, surviving Titan's cold environment. Wrap up. So, Titan may not just be another moon. It could be a window into Earth's past, and Dragonfly could be the first drone to uncover the secrets of alien chemistry. CTA, would you want to see the first drone video from Titan? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more space and science news explained fast.